Hi guys, Daniel here, and today I'll be showing you my custom PC build that I've built in the past week. Actually, about a week ago I built this with my brother. So first I have the TX6 50-watt power supply. Pretty nice. I have an exhaust fan on the left. The Intel fan with below the processor, it's a i3 CPU 2120. Below that, I have the Gigabyte GA H61M DS2 motherboard and the Sapphire Radeon HD7770 graphics card. And also I have 4 gigabytes of RAM above that, hopefully upgrading soon to 8 gigabytes. And up here I have two 500 gigabyte hard drives over here on the right. One of them I actually purchased, another one my brother had, so now I have a terabyte. And a DVD burner or drive up there. So thanks for watching guys, make sure to subscribe, and thanks to Austin Evans at Duncan33303 for helping me with his videos, and bye!